Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Cat Scratching Pad. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Karaseno Cat Scratch Pad. Made of high-grade recyclable, corrugated cardboard, it's more durable and eco-friendly. It leaves no mess around, even if the cats play with it all the time. Safe to play with. It helps to reduce unwanted scratching of your furniture, door and other household objects. Number 4. Adolug Cat Scratch Pad. Built with high-density hardened, corrugated cat scratcher cardboard, our scratching pads can be used from both sides. Our cat scratch pad makes the scratching life last longer than most others. Cat scratcher made by 100% recycled corrugated cardboard and non-toxic glue are used to ensure there is no harmful material and no formaldehyde. Number 3. Noodoky Cat Scratching Pads. Makes it more durable and broken resistant, and with delicate picture and creases, more fun. No trouble to deal with those crumbles that peel off from the scratching pad. The base plate will collect them all when they fall down. Change another side to use if one side is badly worn, which makes the scratching life last longer. Number 2. Mankaide Cat Scratch Pad. Made by 100% eco-friendly, recycled corrugated cardboard, with non-toxic glue contains and no harmful materials. Perfectly healthy for your adorable cats. Built with a two-sided scratching pad, higher density hardened, corrugated cardboard. Number 1. CatRomance Cat Scratching Pad. The 3-in-1 design cat scratch pad could be used as a cat lounger, cat stretching pad and resting cat scratcher bed. This cat scratching board can be used both in the way of vertical and horizontal, and it is fully reversible. Curved design makes it easier for cats scratching, and also comfy rest and stretch.